What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a LinkedIn link in resume in Word Hyperlink. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to your LinkedIn account by just typing linkedin.com in the browser search bar and then by just logging in or signing up with your LinkedIn account. And after that, you just need to go to your profile, click on view profile, and after that at the top you will see your profile URL. You simply select and copy it, and after that, when you have copied your profile URL, in the new tab open Microsoft Word, and then from here just type in LinkedIn or LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn portfolio, whatever you want to show as your LinkedIn's profile link. So after that, as you can see, I have typed LinkedIn profile. Just simply select this text and right click on this text, and after right clicking here, you will see the link section and then arrow section. Go over to this arrow section and then click on insert link. After that, it will show you the option to insert the link. Simply paste that link and then click on insert. And as you can see, I have created the hyperlink for my LinkedIn profile. And when I click on it, and when I click on this website, in a new tab, my LinkedIn profile will open. So this is how you can add a LinkedIn link in resume in your Word hyperlink. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.